Hello, today we're going to learn English through the story. And this is level 2. Before we start, let me introduce myself. I am your instructor. And if you are new here, I warmly welcome you, and if you are regular, then welcome back. In this level, we learn English through the stories, and every story has a different topic, and we learn some new words from each story which will help you improve your vocabulary. Along with that, you will be able to understand how to form sentences with those words. Also, you will be able to understand how to use those words in context. At the end of the video, there will be a quiz based on the same story, so don't forget to stick around till the end. Let's begin. The branches of the tree were strong and sturdy. They did not bend easily. Despite the fact that the tree was old and had seen many storms, it had never lost hope. It stood tall in the village square, silently observing the world around it. All the villagers knew it. Some climbed its branches to play when they were young. Others sat under its shade to tell stories or to escape the heat. They loved the tree, and the tree loved them. One day, the mayor came to the tree with a strange idea. He wanted to cut down the tree and build a playground for the children. So he called an experienced worker to cut down the tree. As soon as the first stroke rang, the tree felt a sharp pain. It started to cry big tears. Seeing this, all the birds flew away and the animals hid themselves in the forest. Only the wind could be heard whistling past the branches. When the tree regained its composure, it decided to talk to the humans. It said, "I have been a part of this village for a long time. My branches have given you shade. My leaves have given you food, and my roots have kept the soil strong. Have you forgotten all that we have shared?" Hearing this, the people felt ashamed. They realized that the tree was right. It had given them so much and asked for so little in return. The mayor apologized to the tree and said, "You are right. We are sorry. You have given us so much, yet we are so ungrateful. Please forgive us." Then the tree said, "It's all right. I know you didn't mean to hurt me, but please remember what we have shared. When one of you plants a tree, try to think of what it gives you in return. Maybe then we can have more trees and less concrete." Everyone agreed. The tree was happy. Now, do you know what happened next? Everyone in the village started to take care of the tree. They watered it, fertilized it, and even sang songs to keep its spirits high. As days passed by, the tree became stronger and healthier. Its branches reached towards the sky and its leaves rustled in the wind. Once again, it stood tall, proud, and content. The tree understood one thing: being useful makes life beautiful. And now the comprehension questions. Write down the answers to these questions in the comments section below. First question: where did the story take place? Second question: why did the mayor want to cut down the tree? Third question: how did the tree feel when the man started cutting it? Fourth question: what did the tree ask in return from the people? Fifth question: what lesson did the tree teach the people? Before we move forward, if you've enjoyed this story and would like to support us, then please don't forget to show your support. It really means a lot to us. Now let's learn some new words from this story. The first word is bend. The sentence is the branches of the tree were strong and sturdy. They did not bend easily. Bend means to move or cause something to move at a joint, typically at an angle. This is the definition. In this sentence, it means the branches did not move or curve out of their normal straight shape. For example, the windstorm was so powerful that it bent the tall oak tree. Next, the second word is despite the fact that. The sentence is despite the fact that the tree was old and had seen many storms. It had never lost hope. Despite the fact that is used to say that something happens or is true even though you may have expected the opposite. In this sentence, it means although the tree was very old and had experienced many storms before, still it never gave up hope. For example, I really like swimming in the ocean. Despite the fact that I nearly drowned when I was younger, Next, the third word is composure. The sentence is when the tree regained its composure, it decided to talk to the humans. Regained his composure means to control or bring under control sudden feelings or behavior. In this sentence, it means after crying, the tree got a hold of its emotions and then decided to speak. For example, she took a deep breath and regained her composure before speaking to the angry crowd. The fourth word is apology. The sentence is the mayor apologized to the tree and said you are right. Apologized means to say that you are sorry for something. In this sentence, it means the mayor expressed regret for his behavior and said that the tree was right. For example, I want to apologize for forgetting your birthday. Next, the fifth word is content. The sentence is once again, it stood tall, proud, and content. Content means feeling or showing satisfaction. In this sentence, it means the tree was feeling satisfied and happy. For example, she looked out at the beautiful sunset and felt content with her life. And the last word is gratitude. The sentence is the tree understood one thing. Being useful makes life beautiful. Gratitude, noun, the quality of being thankful and the feeling of being grateful. In this sentence, it means the tree learned that helping others and being useful makes life more enjoyable. For example, he wrote a letter expressing his gratitude for their support. And now it's time for the quiz. Write down the answers to these questions in the comments section below. First question, what did the tree give to the people but never asked for anything in return? Second question, how did the people feel after listening to the tree? Third question, what did the tree do before talking to the humans? And the last question, what is the moral of the story? Alright guys, I hope you've learned something new today. If you have, then please hit the like button and share this video with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, then please do because it's free. And with that, I'll see you next time. Goodbye.